Web and mobile computing students excel at solving problems through application development for businesses.
I'm glad to be in the Web and Mobile Computing major in the iSchool.
And I'm so ready to be in the field.
Hi, my name is Brian French. I'm a senior lecturer and the program coordinator for the Web and Mobile Computing degree. The WMC program is designed to provide you with foundational skills which will allow you to solve real-world problems using today's technologies. We also try to provide you with the tools to become a lifelong learner with the ability to keep up and adapt to changes in those technologies. What's unique about our program is that we tend to focus on the user and how technology can be used to solve their problems and not just on the technology itself. You can focus on areas that interest you: front-end development, back-end development, project management, mobile development, databases, and wearable and ubiquitous computing. We provide a solid base in a variety of platforms and languages. If you're interested in web development, our web development concentration will prepare you to develop secure web applications that are user-friendly and solve real-world problems. If you're interested in mobile application development, our program will provide you with the knowledge and skills to develop apps for both iOS and Android using the latest languages and techniques. In fact, we have had several students publish the apps that they started in our courses to the Google Play and Apple App Stores. If you're interested in back-end applications, our courses provide foundational skills in database administration, project management, and developing web services that are used by other applications. If you're interested in wearables or the Internet of Things, we have courses that teach the fundamentals of using sensors, collecting data, and controlling remote devices. We also address issues of privacy and security that arise out of the uses of these types of technology. Our graduates get jobs in those areas for large tech companies such as Google, Microsoft, and Apple, financial services companies like Capital One and Progressive Insurance, as well as small startups. We encourage you to use your co-op experiences in your third and fourth years to try out different industries and sizes of companies to see where you are a good fit. In your first year, you'll be introduced to programming using Python and Java. You will also be introduced to design and development for web and mobile technologies. Don't worry if you have little or no experience in these areas, as we teach you from the ground up. Your second year will include studies that are more specific to front and back-end development and other programming design skills to help you prepare for your co-op experience. Your third and fourth years will allow specialization in the areas that I mentioned that you are interested in using your electives. You will also go on your 2 co-ops and finish off any other degree requirements. So, if you are looking for a career in applying skills you learn at college to use technologies to solve problems and help people and businesses in the real world, then our degree is for you. We look forward to welcoming you into our program.
Hello, my name is Aaron Putterman, and I am a third-year Web and Mobile Computing student with concentrations in databases and mobile application development. I found my way into Web and Mobile Computing through the Computing Exploration program, which allows students the chance to determine the best major for themselves from the programs within Golisano College. I first discovered my interest in Web and Mobile Computing through clubs and activities on campus, mainly Localhost and the User Experience Club. Localhost taught me a lot about developing products for the web and other useful programming languages. The User Experience Club taught me how to make the code accessible and improved my design skills. Both clubs offered me learning opportunities and projects to pull from for co-op interviews and provided senior students a chance to mentor others. It was through these clubs that I met some of the iSchool student ambassadors, who pushed me to join Web and Mobile Computing and become an iSchool student ambassador myself. These ambassadors are leaders among the iSchool students and provide support through their various activities. Once in the major, I picked up concentrations in databases and mobile application development. Each concentration within the WMC program offers an array of self-selected topics to help you narrow your focus on the topics you enjoy the most. Some of my favorite classes so far have been contemporary databases and iOS application development. Professors teaching these courses are always prepared to help students maximize their opportunities through projects and extracurricular help. I've completed my first co-op with Wegmans working in their IT department as a system administrator. I have another co-op with Curriculum Associates as a software engineer coming up. Second year seminar helped me prepare for these co-ops with resume advice, interview practice, and establishing connections through company visits. Being in the WMC program has made me more confident in my future and has provided me with endless opportunities to learn both in and out of the classroom.
Hi, my name is Lindsay Olson, and I'm a fourth year Web and Mobile Computing student in the School of Information. My concentrations are mobile computing and wearable and ubiquitous computing, which is about smart devices and IoT. When I first came to RIT, I was in the software engineering program. However, I switched to web and mobile computing right after my first year because the iSchool offers courses that piqued my interests. As soon as I started taking WMC courses my second year, I knew that I had found what I want to do with my life. Throughout the WMC program, we have to complete 2 co-ops for the program requirements. Thankfully, the iSchool offers us a second-year seminar to prepare us for career opportunities. I completed my first co-op at MassMutual as a web developer, which really allowed me to solidify my career choice. In my third year, I joined the student ambassador team for the iSchool, which allowed me to share my passions with other students and help them get involved. That summer, I took up a software engineering co-op at WillowTree, a digital consultancy that actually made the Super Bowl app. Since that summer, I've been working part-time and will be joining them full-time after graduation. When I first started in the WMC program, my coding skills were definitely subpar, but now I have an amazing personal site, get to work on awesome projects, and I'm an award-winning hacker, placing in both WCAGs and BrickHack, becoming the undergraduate delegate for the iSchool, a legacy leader, and a candidate for the Excellence in Student Life Award. While I've loved every minute of my program, I am so ready to be in the field.